We're going to go ahead and start a lesson. We got this young lady here right now. Go ahead and put this in reverse. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
I'm Gina.
Hi, this is Gina. Okay, Gina, go ahead and put it in reverse, please. So Gina's covering the brake. She's just going back slow, letting it roll back. And turn that wheel to the right. A lot of the beginning drivers, they don't know which direction the wheel is. She's just taking her time. See her nice and smooth. Good job. Go ahead and put it in drive, please. And when you're driving, you want to stay in the middle. Go ahead and proceed. You're good. And you want to stay in the middle, and you're just scanning left, you're scanning right. Nice job. Gina's head is level, she's looking around scanning, and then what I'm going to have you do is make a right turn. So go ahead, yes. And then she's turning. See her turn hand over hand. Nice job. And she's just taking her time to go ahead and go down here, this parking lot here. Take your time. Good job. Always be patient. Okay, we all have to learn at one time. Turn on left turn signal. I want you to do an angle park. Woo, easy on that gas. Just squeeze that brake. Yes, nice. And go up real easy. Good. She's going up really nice. Good job. Good. Okay, go ahead and reverse, please, for me. She's going to roll straight back. She's going to turn the wheel to the left. Good. So she's turning to the left, and the rear of the car goes to the left. The front swings out to the right. Always look around. Good job. Coming back. Nice. Go ahead and stop, please. Good job. Go up to the stop sign for me. And then after you stop, you're going to make a right-hand turn. We always want to teach our drivers to look left, right, and left, watching for pedestrians, watching for people. She's doing a nice job. Go ahead and roll up more so you can see. She looks to the left. Good job. She's a little jerky, but that's normal. Got that 2021 Trailblazer. Good job. Good. Nice. After you stop, won't you go ahead and make a right turn? So what Gina should be doing, she should be looking to the left. Good. There's her eye checks. She looks to the right. She looks to the left. Go ahead and make that right turn, please. Good. Go ahead. Hit that gas. Whoa, that was a little hard there. Slow down now. Okay, so she's going to go down to the stop sign. There's a double stop sign. I love taking students here. Go straight down to that one. Good. And then after you stop, you're going to go ahead and make a right turn. Our speed control is really nice. We got a double yellow, which means we can't pass. We got the curb to the right. We got a regulatory sign, which is a stop sign. Good. She stopped at the stop line. Nice. Oh, good. Real nice. She's getting real smooth. Right. Go ahead up there, and you're going to go ahead and make a right turn. There's the court, just in case you get excited, Gina. So watch yourself, girl. All right. So speed control's pretty good. Now I'm going to make you work. I want you to pull up next to this minivan, and I'd like you to try to perform a parallel park. You're fine. Are you okay, Gina? Don't pass out on me now.
I'm good.
Okay. Put us in reverse, and then keep your foot on the brake. And then I'll look at the back of the camera, roll straight back, and turn it all the way to the right. Good. All the way to the right. Nice job. Good. I'm going to show this angle. Nice job. Now turn back all the way to the left. Squeeze that brake. Keep your foot on that brake. Keep going. Keep going. Good. And go back a little bit more. And we're checking. Good. And stop. Now, cut it all the way to the right and put it in drive. Yes, turn all the way to the right. Good job. And then let it roll forward. And then you'll get a 2-point deduction. You did bump the curb. Right. Good. Put it in park. Good job, girl. Give me a fist pound. Boom. Okay, let's put this thing in drive. And turn your wheel all the way to the left. We do see the car coming because you want to learn to look through the windows. Nice. Yep. Always look over your shoulder and turn on your left blinker. Nice job. Good check. She's really checking traffic. You're doing great. Good. Go ahead and roll out real easy. Nice. Now turn back to the right. Good steering. Good. Man, you got a good teacher. Nice. Good. Go up to the 4-way stop, please. After you stop, I want you to make a right-hand turn. Yes. So we have a complete stop for 3 seconds. Here's the rule. You want to look left. You want to look right. You want to look left. I don't know what they're doing. Okay, go ahead and make your right turn. Nice job. It's better to go in slow and easy. Nice job. Okay, I want you to hit an angle park here. Turn on that right turn signal. Park between these two cars. Take your time. Good. Cover that brake. Turn that wheel. Nice job. Look at that steering. Good. Straighten up. Nice. Good. Stop us here. Okay, put us in reverse. All right, always look over your shoulder. Be careful. We always want to look. Go ahead, roll back slow. Nice. It's called covering the brake. Go ahead and roll back. Cut it all the way to the right. Nice job. Good. She's really checking traffic. Good job. Nice. Go ahead and put it in drive. Good. Go straight down, please. You're doing a fantastic job. Always watch for pedestrians. How many pedestrians to the right, to the left?
2.
Good. There's a little waterfalls. Oh, that's so beautiful. Okay, keep driving. You're doing fantastic. I like your speed control. Your observation skills are really good. Go down to the stop sign. After you stop, we're going to make a right-hand turn. You're a little jerky on the gas, but that's normal. Good. Go ahead and hit that brake. Whoa, that's a little hard. You hit that brake. Okay, good. Check your traffic. Nice. Go ahead and make that right turn. Got a car there. What are they trying to do? Who knows? So hold on. Take your time. All right. Good. Go ahead and make that beautiful. Oh, you got a little curbage. Man, there's a young man who got curbage. I'm going to call you guys the curbage twins, the curbage couple. Stay off that curb. Okay, good. Go up to the stop sign, and then I'll have you stop, and then put it in park, and we'll talk about some things you can improve on. You did really nice today. Good. Go ahead and stop. Put it in park, and hit the triangle for me, please. Okay, so I thought you did a great job today. You had good speed control. You did a parallel park. I'm really proud of you. You turned hand over hand. We just want to continue with our lessons coming up very soon. Thank you so much. You did a great job.